Find or read reviews that people are talking of WOLFBOX i07 cam, 3-channel cam built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 4K plus 1080p camera front and inside. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose WOLFBOX i07 cam. Below are some reasons why you should choose. 3-channel car cam, 360 degrees full protection. The i07 mini cam is a full-view cam equipped with ultra-wide-angle cameras of 150 degrees, front cam, 160 degrees, interior cam, and 155 degrees, rear cam, respectively. It can simultaneously monitor the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle with 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p HD quality, and record the details of the driving trip for you in 360 degrees. Providing you with strong evidence in accident disputes. When the rear camera is not plugged in, the front and cabin security cameras for car can record up to 4K, 3840x2160p at 30 fps, and 1080p, 1920x1080p at 30 fps, respectively, which makes all key details legible. The 3.0-inch large screen allows having a crystal clear and wider view, giving you a great driving experience. Adopted high-performance advanced Starvis sensor and 6 IR LED lights. The inside-facing camera enables the car on dash-mounted cameras to record clear and balanced video in dark environments like nighttime, underground parking lots, and tunnels, which can accurately capture the driver and passengers, perfect for ride-share drivers such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi. The smart dash cam for cars comes with built-in GPS. It will accurately record the speed and coordination. When playing on the computer, the travel data will display. The Wi-Fi dash cam allows you to connect the mini security dash cam to your smartphone app via Wi-Fi. Manage the automotive dashboard camera on your iOS or Android device with a dedicated app. Download and edit videos in the app, and one-click sharing lets you share your travels with friends. By using the dedicated hardware kit, the 3-way security car video will gain 2 parking monitor modes, collision boot recording and time-lapse record. Collision boot recording mode allows the dashboard camera to record only when there is an impact detected. Time-lapse record allows the car cam to record 24 hours in time-lapse while you are away. Tips: when using time-lapse mode, collision boot recording mode will not work. Compared with other traditional recorders, this driving recorder uses a newly designed Type-C socket for power supply and supercapacitors. These two technologies can better avoid problems such as black screen, restart, and high-temperature deformation that may occur during use. The portable driving cam with backup camera has better options in terms of installation. We designed the rear camera to be installed inside the car. If you also hate cumbersome wiring, the rear camera of the i07 is designed for you. You can install the small rear camera on the rear windshield. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.